Hey friends, welcome back to another AI video, and today we're gonna try out Suno AI. Now what is Suno? Suno AI allows us to create voice, so text, and also to create music. Yes, you heard me right. And we can try this for free. So all we need is a Discord account, so we can simply register at Discord, and if you do this, then you can go to Suno website here and then click on try the alpha on Discord. If you do this, then you will open Discord and you also get an invite, which you just have to accept, and then you get into Suno in here, in those groups. And there are two interesting things for us. The first one is Bark, the second one is Chirp. Now with Bark, we can create basically speech based on text. The way it works is I simply put in a slash here, /bark, like that. And then you see you need a prompt and you can specify a voice. So if I press tab key on my keyboard, now I can put in a prompt. So, hi, I am Daniel. Nice to meet you. Something like that, right? And then for the voice, you can go with voice here, and then you can choose some of those voices in here. So you could use a random voice, or you can also choose one of those which are available in here, which are also available in different kinds of languages. For instance, Portuguese we have here, we have Australian, and so on. Right? So Australian English, of course. So if I use Flynn here, for instance, let me choose this one here, and then let's press enter, and then basically you have here your message, and then you just need to wait a little bit until the sound is created. So it shouldn't take too long. With text, it should be a little bit faster. But here it is, as you can see, and now we can play this. So if we do this, let me just go here and...
Hi, I'm Daniel, nice to meet you.
And you see that basically you have here now the audio. And I played it in double speed, but it's up to you. You can also play it in normal speed. And you also have the option to download it if you want to do this. So quite easy to use. And as I said, it's for free. So try it out if you want. And the other one, which I personally also find very interesting, is if you want to create music. So for music creation, we should not go to Bark. Instead, we go to Chirp. So one of those channels in here. And if I go to Chirp Alpha in here, let me click it, then there are also already a lot of music pieces, so you can simply click on them to hear them if you like to do this. But you could also simply go there in the message at the bottom and then /chirp in this case. As you can see here, chirp, like that. And then you can just type in your text in here. So if I do this, let me just press here enter, and you see that now I need to enter my lyrics here, and let me just paste something. You might be familiar with this text, maybe not, but if so, please feel free to share it in the comments where I copied this, because it's not, of course, something which I created. So let me just click on submit. You can also, by the way, have ChatGPT make the lyrics for you, but I think this is a great lyric, so I'm using this one. And it's up to, I think, 4,000 tokens or words which you can enter here, so quite a lot to sing. So let's click on submit, and then let's just wait until here our text, which we entered here, is created into a piece of music art. And you see we are good to go. So it took around 1 to 2 minutes, and now I can simply listen to the song. So let me check the first one.
Now you feel like number one. Saying life for everyone. Living out your fantasy. Your quietest stuff for all to see. Now you feel.
So that was the first one, as you can hear, and there's also a second version. So let's give this a try as well.
Now you feel like number one. Shining bright, gold everyone. Living out your fantasy. The brightest star for all to see.
So you can see they are different, and you have the option again to download both of them if you like to do this and save them, and then of course play them again and again on your local computer. So that's it actually for those two tools. So again, it is Suno AI. You can go to their website. You do not need to register or do anything here. All you need to do is have a Discord account. You can then go to try alpha. You get an invite in your Discord, and then you can choose here either Bark if you want to do text to speech, or you can go with Chirp if you want to create your own music. And that's completely free. So that's it for this video. Hopefully that was interesting to you. If so, let me know that. Give this video a like, also share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so far, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.